BNY, America's oldest bank, beginning a landmark new venture to develop its next generation of talent through its analyst cohort in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Joining me now to break it all down, BNY CIO and Global Head of Engineering, Leigh-Ann Russell, and BNY Pennsylvania Chairman Eric Boughner. It's great to have you both here. Leigh-Ann, I'll start with you. What is BNY hoping to accomplish by bringing this next generation together?
Well, good morning, Cheryl, and it's a delight to be here. We are so excited to welcome our 2026 analyst class. 242 years old BNY. We're at the heart of capital markets. So we actually see our analysts as being a very strategic investment for us. We have welcomed analysts, approximately 3% of our workforce, representing 19 countries around the globe. And they join us for a rotational program. They spend 2 years. They work in different departments across BNY. They have mentorship. They meet and spend time with each other. And it's really for us about investing in the talent that we need to grow for the future.
We talk so much about jobs on the network and about the opportunities out there for Americans, and I think this is a great example of that. Eric, I want to ask you about, the bank. You're aggressively investing in AI. We talk about this all the time, including the development of AI tools that will help employees and, more importantly, help your clients make faster, better financial decisions. Your CEO, Robin Vince, recently joined the board of OpenAI. Yeah. And that's a major financial services perspective that is moving into the AI industry. Talk about that.
Yeah, we're really excited about the potential of AI, and obviously we have our AI platform, Eliza, named after our founder, Alexander Hamilton's wife. And I'm super excited when I think about the cohort of analysts who joined us today. These people are really embracing AI, much in the same way when I joined the financial services industry 30 years ago. It was novel that I could model things in Excel, and kind of the team of people that we have joining us today, these analysts are ready to do that. They're using this, essentially strapping this on as a superpower to help them grow and help them build careers and write the next chapter for BNY, and AI is a big part of that.
Yeah, and I'm going to get to the history of Pittsburgh in particular, where you are. But Leigh-Ann, same kind of question. I mean, you're preparing these younger folks that are coming in for an AI-enabled future because the workplace is changing. How important is it for this new generation to have those AI skills? And also, maybe the bank, do you start to train the current workforce, the older generation, to embrace AI tools at the bank?
Well, it's one of the reasons that we're so excited to welcome the analysts here with us, because they already come with great native digital and technology skills when they join us, regardless of whether they're engineering or not. So they bring that fresh mindset, which is exactly what we're looking for as we grow here at BNY. But we haven't just made this an engineering or an analyst challenge. We actually led in 24 and 25. Our key goal was to train everyone at the bank in AI. We have this mantra, AI for everyone, for everything, everywhere. And we had 100% of our workforce onboarded onto Eliza, which, as Eric has said, is our AI platform at BNY. And since then, we've written the training program another 2 times. And so we are deeply committed to making sure that every one of our employees has the best tools and the best training to help them be successful in this new world.
Yeah, certainly. No, it is everywhere, but in financial services in particular, it's fascinating to see how this is going to help your clients, help your employees. And Eric, so let's get back to Pittsburgh, because you've had a presence in Pittsburgh. You just said this, for more than 150 years. You're now home to the company's largest campus, major hub that you've created there for talent, technology, operations. Talk about the importance of Pittsburgh. Why is it so important to bring this class to the Still City?
You framed it well, and Pittsburgh is an essential part of everything that we do across BNY. I'm proud to represent our colleagues, and as you said, it is our largest location in North America. And we're proud of the history that we have here, going back well over 150 years. But that's kind of what got us here. Why we're reinvesting, why we're bringing more people here, why we're kind of committed to helping the revitalization of downtown Pittsburgh is because of the future. And the central part of that future is the talent. We have hired more students from the University of Pittsburgh Business School than any other employer over the past couple of years. We have a partnership with Carnegie Mellon University, And we have the BNY AI Lab at Carnegie Mellon University that continues to do that, as well as all other local universities attracting students from around Penn State, Duquesne, and many others that we're proud to help populate the next generation of BNY employees. And doing that right here in downtown Pittsburgh is a special thing for us.
Yeah, and this is why we talk so much about the impact that businesses, large companies like yourself, have on the communities around you, and that it lifts all boats. And unfortunately, some other cities don't see it that way. Let's talk about private markets. And Eric, I'm going to stay with you on this because, private markets are growing. We've seen this. The infrastructure that supports them has not kept pace. And BNY is saying that private market assets are moving into more investors' portfolios. Many systems behind them, though, remain fragmented and manual. And you're pushing for a more digital system using AI tokenization to make private market investing more efficient. Talk to us about that, Eric.
Yeah, well, private markets and private assets overall have been an important part of our clients' portfolios for a long time. And BNY, in our role, kind of servicing the world's assets, servicing the largest investment managers in the world, the largest broker-dealers, the largest banks, as well as the largest families and ultra-high net worth individuals. We've always been serious and expert in including private assets and private markets. Now, the exciting part, and when you think about the platforms that we have across BNY, we can essentially service the entire ecosystem, and we begin to break down that differentiation between what is a private asset and a public asset. We have an industrial solution to our systems to service both private and public markets, and that's what our clients need. And they want to do that with clients that they know and trust and have continued to deliver, ranging from our families all the way up to some of the largest relationships, including the U.S. government.
And you've got a good purview of that in your role there in Pittsburgh. Eric, real quick, where are the clients? Where are you seeing the demands? Are they asking for more? Is it access to private markets? Is it equities? What is the most common question that you're hearing when someone comes in the door there?
Yes, yes, and yes. Okay. There's certainly an interest, and when we think about how we differentiate it, it is bringing the right applications and the right investment opportunities to our clients, and ensuring that we deliver them and have them as part of the overall and seamless approach to doing business with BNY, but also just managing their day over day.
Yeah, and Leigh-Ann, obviously the technology behind all of this is where you come in that AI infrastructure, and this is building the future, and that's what you're doing.
Yeah, we're really excited about that. And of course, AI is just at the sharp end of everything that we're doing. We're also heavily investing in our infrastructure technology and our cyber technology, because what we do for our clients really matter, and keeping their data, their resiliency safe is equally top of mind as adding AI to that portfolio for them.
All right, Leigh-Ann Russell, Eric Boughner, it's great to have you both on here. Congratulations. It seems like going to be a great day there for you both. Thank you.
It is.
Thank you very much.